Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Widya Sagita Mafira. You can call me Widya. I am from the University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang. Today I want to present about an analysis of speaking skill of 4th semester student of University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang. Speaking is one of important elements in studying English. Students have to be able to speak English. To get more details about the concept of speaking, the research tries to discuss some definition of speaking from some expert. The next is definition of speaking. There are many definitions of speaking according to expert Hammer 20 and 7,284. Stage speaking is the ability to speak fluently and presupposes not only knowledge of language features but also the ability to process information and language on the spot. According to Blake 225, speaking is a process of interaction where speaker interpret meaning through producing, receiving, and processing information. Therefore, the research concludes that speaking is the ability to produce the language and share their ideas. The next is type of speaking performance. There are several types of speaking performance that can be used in speaking class. Brown 20 and 271 describe 6 categories of speaking skill area. The first is imitative. This category includes the ability to practice an intonation and focus on some particular elements and of language word that is just imitating a word, phrase, or sentence. The important thing here is focus or pronunciation. Their teacher use drilling in the teaching learning process. The next is intensive. This is student speaking performance that is practicing some phonological and grammatical aspect of language. Is usually place student doing the task is pair group work. For example, reading dialogue with partner is room reading information. Third, responsive performance include interaction and test comprehension, but at the somewhat limited level of very short conversation, standard greeting, and small talk. Simple requests and comments giving instruction and direction. The next is transactional dialogue. It is carried out for the purpose of conveying or exchanging specific information. For example, here is conversation which is done in pair work. The next is interpersonal dialogue. It is carried out more for the purpose of maintaining social relationship than for the transmission of facts and information. The last is extensive monologue. Teacher gives student extend monologue in the form of oral report, summarize, and storytelling and short speech. Based on the theory about It can be concluded that there are some points that should be considered in assessing speaking. The next is the aspect of speaking. The aspect of speaking. In speaking, there are some aspects that must be fulfilled by the learner. It can be used as a measurement whether our speech is good or not. Those are fluency, comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. The description is followed according to Brown 420 and 1 406 until 407. The first is fluency. It refers to one's ability to speak smoothly and easily. Fluency is the measure of the way someone speaks of language without any trouble, like thinking the word composing the idea, and others. The second is comprehension. Comprehension is a student's competence to comprehend all the speakers say to them. Third is grammar. Grammar is the way of organize the word into the correct sentence. This is important that if the speaker can master grammar to organize the word, so the speaker also easily to speak English well. For vocabulary. Vocabulary is the basic of language. It appears in every language skill. It is very important because we can say nothing without vocabulary in our mind. Vocabulary is about choice of word which is used appropriately based of the context of speaking. And the last is pronunciation. Based of definition, pronunciation is the important component of language. Therefore, it is necessary if the student have a good pronunciation because if they have a good pronunciation, so their speaker will be understandable. And the next is place and time of the research. This research is conducted in Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. It is located on Street Perintis Kemerdekaan 1, Babakan, number 33, Cikokol, Tangerang. The implementation of the research is carried out from April to June 2020 and 2020. The next is table schedule or the research. Number one, determine the title. Month April. Number two, searching material. May until repeat. Number one activity. Table schedule or the research. Number one, activities determine of the title month April. Number two, activities searching material May until June. Number three, making paper, May until June. For making PowerPoint, June until July. And the last is making video, July. The next is population and sample. Population is all the individuals or units of interest handled and larger. 2011, page 7. The population of this research is the fourth semester student of Muhammadiyah Tangerang University in the academic year 2019 until 2020. Population and sample. Population is all the individuals or unit of interest handled and larger. 2011, page 7. The population in this research is the fourth semester student of Muhammadiyah Tangerang University in academic year 2019 until 2020. It consists of 22 students. B. Sample. Sample according to Helen to Larger 2011. A sample is a subset of the individuals in a population. In this research, the sample is single Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. The sample is from one of the students in English education study program. The next is research design. In this research, the research use a qualitative research. The qualitative research is descriptive. It means that type of qualitative research focus on description. The research describes the speaking skill in pronunciation of fourth semester student of Muhammadiyah Tangerang University. This research use qualitative type of method with student making a recording of video observation with a duration of 10 minutes. The text that the research used as follow. The first is the research asks the sample to make presentation and record it in video. Second is the research analyze the video. Third, the research takes notes the word that is pronounced by the sample of analyze it. Fourth, the research make a conclusion of the video based on the research of the student correct and error in pronunciation. 5. The research search the material to make the paper. And the last is the research make the presentation about the paper by using PowerPoint and then record in the video. Data analysis is the process of organizing the data in order to obtain regularity of pattern of the research. The analysis data based on the video recording of the student presentation that the student does not know how to pronounce the word well and difficult to distinguish word that have the similar pronouns. From all the word that is pronounced by the student in the video, there are some mistakes. For example, when the student pronounce presentation and heard finding this capture present that data presentation and finding of this research based on data collected during the investigation. From data analysis, it can be drawn that the student does not know how to pronounce the word well and difficult to distinguish words that have the similar pronouns. It is because English is our pronoun our parents' language. It is not our first language, so we have difficult in pronouncing the English word well. Okay, thank you very much. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.